My name is Grace Vihenda. I'm in charge of innovation and sustainability at Kenya Airways. World Environment Day is a day that we celebrate our efforts when it comes to our ecosystems and the environment. This year's theme is on restoration of ecosystems.
The climate change is real. It is happening all around us. We have seen flooding, we have seen drought, and all the effects of environmental degradation.
For Kenya Airways, this is a day to celebrate our gains that we've made, positive impact on the environment. We have a forest in Ngong forest of about 1 million trees that was planted by Kenya Airways and partners over the last 10 years. And so we've come to see the forest and to enjoy the diversity that it has created in this place and to also interact with the local community. We've brought beehives that the local community can set up in different areas of the forest and that will be giving them an income.
One simple way of you getting a seed ball and going to plant it, you as an individual, anywhere you would want, getting 1, 2, 5 seed balls and planting it, and that is your contribution to these stories of land degradation. When we look at the environment, we're not just looking at what are we doing now. Future generations will still come and find a planet, and not just a planet, even find an airline called Kenya Airways as a result of our efforts. So it's not for now, but we are doing things that will maintain this planet here for future generations. Yeah.